This is How to Minwax. We're going to show you how to use our gel stain to achieve beautiful results on vertical surfaces. This stain's unique non-drip formula evenly delivers uniform color on touch to stain interior and exterior wood surfaces, and non-wood surfaces like metal, veneer, and fiberglass. For this video, we'll apply Minwax gel stain to a wood cabinet. To get started, you'll need Minwax Pre-Stain Wood Conditioner, your chosen color of Minwax Gel Stain, and Minwax Fast Drying Polyurethane, as well as 220 grit sandpaper, rubber gloves, a purdy brush, or a clean lint-free cloth or a foam applicator, a drop cloth, stir sticks, and several lint-free rags. There are 3 simple steps to applying gel stain: prep, stain, and protect. So we're going to start, of course, with prep. To prep, make sure the surface is dry, clean, and free of dirt, grease, glue, and any existing coatings. Then sand the wood in the direction of the grain until smooth. And remove the sanding dust. Now, apply Minwax Pre-Stain Wood Conditioner, being sure to follow label directions. After waiting 5 to 15 minutes, wipe with a lint-free rag. Stir your stain until it changes from a thick, semi-solid to a smooth liquid state. And evenly apply a liberal amount of stain with your brush, clean cloth, or foam applicator in the direction of the wood grain. Its thicker, jelly-like consistency prevents running and dripping. Wait 3 minutes and remove the excess stain with a clean cloth, wiping in the direction of the grain. Allow to dry for 8 to 10 hours. If you'd like a darker color, just repeat the stain application process, allowing each coat to dry for 8 to 10 hours. Do not sand between coats. Once you're happy with the color, wait 24 hours and apply a clear protective top coat, carefully following label directions. So that's it. Simple process, professional results. Thanks for watching.